Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Honda Civic Type R GT. So this car comes with black 20-inch alloy wheels, it's front and rear parking sensors, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got this lovely Type R style interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this you get a smartphone charging plate, there's dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, automatic headlights, wipers, there's plenty of safety features too. So let's have a look around. The 2-litre iVTEC engine. It gives you 316 horsepower. It's done 11,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.